Hello and goodbye. No, okay, I'm kidding, people, I'm kidding. All right. This is your host with the most, Marcos, most of the time. And behind the scenes, making things happen is Riza. Riza, say hello.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah, so anyways, I know I kind of surprised Riza. He didn't expect me to do the hello and goodbye and walk away. No.
I almost turned off the camera.
Yeah, I know, right? But hey, yeah, at least he got a chance to catch this moment, or I would say in his case, hear the moment because he's behind the scenes. But it doesn't matter. What really matters is that welcome to the Daily Decrypt by xt.com. So we got 3 articles today. So we're going to speed it through. Riza? So the first one is all the 3 articles are from our amazing friends from Cointelegraph. Thank you all for your service to the crypto and blockchain space. So, Riza,
Yes, sir.
this article just came in 4 hours ago.
Okay.
So the title is Tornado Cash Left a Void. Time will tell what fills it, says Chain Analysis Chief Scientist.
Okay.
Interesting. Before we go into it, Riza, do you know who or what Tornado Cash is? Any idea?
I heard about it, but I didn't really read the news. I was, a bit busy. But yeah, my fault, my bad.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. No, but actually, not many people know about Tornado Cash. Just for the record, it is a coin mixer. So basically, it just mixes the transactions, for privacy purposes and stuff. So, what makes Tornado Cash special, why I'm bringing this up, is that it was banned by the US Treasury. So, I'll definitely leave the links below, but the sanctions on cryptocurrency mixer Tornado Cash has left a vacuum for illicit fund mixing services, but more time is needed before we'll know the full impact, according to Chain Analysis Chief Scientist. Now, during a demo of Chain Analysis recently launched blockchain analysis platform Storyline, interesting. Storyline, interesting, yeah. I mean, Cointelegraph has asked Chief Scientist Jacob Illum and Country Manager for Australia and New Zealand, Todd Lenfield, about the impact of the Tornado Cash ban. So, here's a quote. People are getting more cautious in the space and are not sure how to interact with Tornado Cash. We have seen deposits into services providing similar activity go down at least temporarily. Interesting, because people are measuring like, what does this mean for me? So, according to blockchain security firm Slow Mist, you're learning some new names.
Yeah.
Stated that 74.6% of stolen funds on the Ethereum network were transferred to Tornado Cash in the first half of 2022. A sum of over 300,000 ETH, which is around $380 million. There's a lot of details in it, but I thought that this article would be interesting. As you know, there's been, you definitely heard about the Tornado Cash ban. You also heard about these money getting hacked from various bridges, Harmony. Sorry, Riza, help me out. I can't think of any other bridge hacks you can think of.
There's a recent one, Wintermute.
Okay, that's a market maker, but still, hey, a hack is a hack, right?
Yeah.
I mean, whether it doesn't matter, xt.com fam or the general public, it is a serious matter. But there's one mention about in September, earlier in this month actually, Chain Analysis, their response team has helped law enforcement recover $13 million in crypto stolen in the Ronin bridge hack by the North Korean-linked Lazarus Group, who used Tornado Cash to launder stolen assets. So, we are going through interesting times. I'm sure law enforcement agencies are going to be applying a lot of sophisticated tech
Yeah.
to handle all this kind of stuff, especially this crypto-related, cyber-related crimes. So yeah, well, definitely this is something to look to be aware as a user of XT.com or any other exchange. Doesn't matter. Please practice operational security. That is from our side, and here at XT.com we aim to make our exchange, make our services faster, easier, and most importantly, reliable. So anyways, that's the first article. The next one is from Cointelegraph again. Tribe DAO votes in favor of repaying victims of $80 million Rari hack. Interesting. What do you think about that, Riza? When it comes to DAOs, I mean, like, see, I'm still trying to figure out this DAO stuff. I mean, just to be honest,
I mean, in terms of DAO, it's I would say I'm still looking at it like cautiously, because I'm not sure the way forward about DAO. Is it going to be very useful for people, or is it like a novelty for now? So I'm for me, the jury's still out.
Okay, no, that's fair enough. I mean, I just brought this article because I thought it was interesting to see the social dynamics, the governance when it comes to DAOs. And I think it's great that they're voting in favor to help the victims in this Rari attack. Hey, it's an $80 million hack. So it just kind of shows how this governance is taking place. And obviously, there's not going to be the first, and definitely it's not going to be the last. We're going to see a lot of DAOs being more sophisticated, and definitely it's not going to go away anytime soon. So I think even for us, we're still learning about DAOs, and I'm also kind of, just like Riza, very curious to know where the future holds for DAO and the governance model, how we could make things fairer, equitable, and also most importantly, we all be accountable and responsible to each other. Again, we are one big happy family, so we and let's try our best to do that, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, other than that, just definitely will share the links below. But last but not least, I do have a last one. It's about our good friends from FTX. Well, this article states FTX in talks with investors to raise $1 billion for further acquisitions.
Okay, interesting. They've been doing a lot of acquisitions, for this year.
Yeah, I mean, to me, acquisition is one thing, but the way I see FTX is doing, it's more like shopping, really. It's like you're going to the mall, hey, I want to buy this, I want to buy that. Like, I mean, I guess if you have $1 billion in the bank, it doesn't feel like acquisition to me. You know what I mean? I'm sorry, it's a very corporate term, but the way they are, look, you know what? Let me finish this article and then I can. All right, I
You
hope.
can tell me how you really feel.
I know, right? So but okay, I definitely have to respect these guys because they're buying Voyager Digital. They're buying different companies. They also try to offer to Celsius, I believe, if my memory serves me well. So here, according to CNBC, I mean it's still going on, but the current valuation is roughly around $32 billion for FTX. Now they're trying to add $400 million so that they could basically acquire or like fund new funds, so to speak. So again, this is in collaboration with Alameda Research. So the potential FTX acquisition of beleaguered crypto lender Voyager Digital has been rumbling on since July after it outlined a joint proposal with Alameda to purchase Voyager following its filing for bankruptcy. Now, the proposal was slammed by Voyager. This is in the New York City bankruptcy court, so they felt it was like a lowball deal. There's also I know. Sorry, there's a lot of info, but also FTX Ventures. They announced that they would like to acquire a 30% stake in Anthony Scaramucci asset management firm Skybridge for an undisclosed amount. How do you like me now? Then there's also another purchase. Hey, let's go to the mall and buy something. Canadian crypto platform Bitvo as part of a broader plans to expand into Canada.
Okay.
A month prior, FTX US also signed a deal with troubled lending firm BlockFi to provide it with a $400 million revolving credit facility and an option to buy the firm for around $240 million.
Okay. That's a lot.
So yeah, I mean.
Trouble.
Okay, so yeah. Anyways, back to my opinion. Whether you call it acquisition or not, this regardless, for the XT.com fam and for our general public and the people who are tuning in to the XT cast. Now, this is an interesting case where, especially in this bear market season. By the way, this is not financial advice. This is just educational and entertainment purposes only. This is the time where, if you have enough capital, you could get high quality assets, high quality companies at discounted prices. Yeah. So, I mean, this is not financial advice, like I said, but this is like a moral advice. This is kind of like a common sense kind of thing. Like, hey guys, like, this is a time to actually be physically responsible, but also be aggressively patient to find good opportunities, good deals.
Yeah.
Whether people like FTX or not, we gotta respect their game. So I get that part. There is a hint inside of me like, hey, you know what? We gotta respect these guys for what they're trying to do in the space. So anyways, those are the three articles we have for the Daily Decrypt by XT.com. So before we go, Riza, any words of wisdom for our family at XT.com?
I mean, if you haven't started trading already, do learn. Have a look at our academy. You might know like a few things, and then once you are confident enough, open an account with our XT.com platform and then start trading. Like, you don't have to have a lot of money to start trading, but yeah, you can start little by little.
Yeah, hey, it's the art of the start, fam. It's the art of the start. And that being said, stream must start today at 5 p.m. here at the XT.com Dubai office. We do have our meetup.
Thursday?
Oh yeah, yes, we have our Crypto Thursday. Forget Crypto Thursday or Rendezvous. Doesn't matter. But we do have 3 presentations, and we have amazing people coming by to network and to collaborate, and most importantly, to celebrate our industry. So we gotta go. So y'all be good.
Y'all be safe.
And we will talk to you soon. Bye for now.